Это пиздец. Это просто пиздец.
US President Joe Biden's administration is privately urging Ukrainian leader Volodymyr Zelensky to show openness to negotiations with Russia, according to the recent reports. The reports further suggest that these talks are only meant to ensure that Ukraine maintains a moral high ground in the eye of its international backers. According to them, these demands are not aimed at pushing Ukraine to the negotiating table. The Washington Post newspaper cited unnamed sources as saying that the request by American officials was not aimed at pushing Ukraine to the negotiating table, but a calculated attempt to ensure Kyiv maintains the support of other nations. US and Ukrainian officials acknowledged that Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's ban on talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin had generated concerns in parts of Europe, Africa, and Latin America, where the war's effects on costs of food and fuel are felt most sharply, the Post said. Ukraine fatigue is a real thing for some of our partners, it quoted an unnamed US official as saying. Zelensky signed a decree on October 4th, formally declaring the prospect of any Ukrainian talks with Putin impossible, but leaving the door open to talks with Russia. The White House National Security Council had no immediate comment on the accuracy of the report. A State Department spokesperson responded, "We have said it before and will say it again. Action speaks louder than words. If Russia is ready for negotiation, it should stop its bombs and missiles and withdraw its forces from Ukraine." The Kremlin continues to escalate this war. The Kremlin has demonstrated its unwillingness to seriously engage in negotiations since even before it launched its full-scale invasion of Ukraine. The spokesperson also noted remarks by Zelensky on Friday in which he said, "We are ready for peace, for a fair and just peace, the formula of which we have voiced many times." In his nightly address to the Ukrainian people on Friday, Zelensky added, "The world knows our position. This is respect for the UN Charter, respect for our territorial integrity, respect for our people." In the latest sign of Russia's retreat in one of the most bitterly contested areas in Ukraine, Putin publicly endorsed the evacuation of civilians from parts of Ukraine's southern Kherson region on Friday. This appeared to be the first time Putin has endorsed the evacuations personally, although Moscow has been ferrying people out of an area it controls in Kherson on the west bank of the Dnipro River.